Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to receive notifications by SMS for birthdays on Facebook, right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a bell. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots to access the notification settings. Step 4. Select Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the notification settings, find and click on Birthdays to open the birthday notification options. Step 6. Finally, toggle on the switch next to SMS to enable SMS notifications for birthdays. Make sure you also toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook under These are notifications about your friends' birthdays first. And that's it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for birthdays on Facebook. Now, you'll never miss wishing your loved ones on their special day. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.